Alright, today we're doing a little lunch, and what we're doing is we're going to use artisan, vegan, field roast grain meat, and it's a vegetarian grain meat sausage. And this one has got the herbs of Mexicana Chipotle on it.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living! Field roast Mexican Chipotle sausage. Here are the nutritional facts. Each link has 230 calories. Calories from fat are 70. Total fat is 8 grams. Saturated fat 0.5 grams. Cholesterol 0. Sodium 580 milligrams. That's a little high. Total carbohydrates are 11 grams. Dietary fiber 0. Sugars 0. Protein 28 grams per link. The total ingredients are vital wheat gluten, filtered water, expeller pressed safflower oil, onions, garlic, apple cider vinegar, yeast extract, chipotle peppers, onion powder, granulated garlic, brown sugar, sea salt, barley malt, spices, black pepper, paprika, oleo resin, chili del ardol peppers, cumin, oregano. This product is vegan. This information comes from MyFitnessPal. Aldi's specially selected naan, tandoor baked and stretch flatbread, serving size 0.5, 63 grams, has 190 calories, 29 grams of carbohydrates, 6 grams of fat, 5 grams of protein. Sam's Club fresh salsa. Salsa as fresh as it gets. Tomatoes go directly from the vine to the jar without any cooking or canning. What you're left with is natural great taste. Mild fresh salsa, never cooked ingredients, no artificial flavor or preservatives, gluten-free and no sugar added, non-GMO. The nutritional facts on Sam's Club fresh salsa are 2 tablespoons equals 5 calories, total fat 0, saturated fat 0, trans fat 0, cholesterol 0, sodium 125 milligrams, total carbohydrate 1 gram, dietary fiber 0, sugars 1 gram, protein 0. It has vitamin A, vitamin C. That's it.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut it on the back side here. Opens up easily, and we're just going to take one of the links out. And you can see that it's leaking, and I'm going to put this in a bag so that when I put it back in the container it won't leak all over my fridge. Now the instructions are fairly simple. It says peel casing before cooking, so don't eat the casing. Clip one end of the sausage with scissors, cut down the length of the sausage halfway and remove the plastic casing. Preparation: grill outdoor, I'm going to be grilling indoor. Brown in a saute pan with a little oil using medium heat, or break up sausage with fingers to use in sauces, stir fries, scrambles. Avoid overcooking. Okay, so then you take scissors. I like to use these kitchen scissors, and you find the end, which will be right here, and you're just going to go down and pick this all up like this. Now if you're real careful, I have opened these before, it will retain its shape, but I'm going to be breaking it up. So then you just peel the plastic casing carefully, try to get some of that chipotle all over you. Sometimes what I do is I mix like some of my onions in there so I get some of that flavor. Now before we're going to cook the sausage, what we're going to do is we're going to cook the onions, because I really like to have like this. so that it starts cooking. We will hold on to the sausage until the onions are cooked. And the reason why is because if you put them both together, the sausage will warm up way before the onions will. So I'll see you at the stove. Now this is a cast iron pan that's already been seasoned, which is probably why it's glistening. We're going to cook the onions into it. Once it starts getting brown, I'll show it to you again. So while the onions are cooking, what we're going to do is we're going to cut these in little slivers. And I've had this before, so I already know that a full sausage is almost too much to eat. Now this one is made with grain, so if it was the soy sausage, it would be almost too much to eat and you'd have some of that aftertaste. But this is a grain sausage, so it's a little different. But I'm just going to be putting in just a few ingredients in this scramble. And so there's no need to eat the entire sausage. Take a metal spatula. And they're already getting brown. And I'd like to get them pretty close to translucent. Run away. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our tomatoes and we're going to dice them. On this video, not only are we doing a check on the sausage, we're also going to do a product review on the Mini Naan Flatbread from Specially Selected. Now these are so cool, you can easily just put them in your toaster. Take a pair of scissors and just cut the top uppermost of the bag, so that way you can still seal it back up again. Then pull out the entire container, take out 2 pieces of bread and put them in your toaster. See, like this? And then just pretend like you're toasting bread. Then take out the rest of these and put it back in the bag. This meal is going to be a rich protein meal. I try to, when I have these kind of containers, if I don't have a plastic bag or something like that, what I do is I put it into another bag like this. That way it keeps fresh. And these are really delicious, so I doubt that they're going to last very long in my house. Okay, like that. Alright, so this is all ready for the refrigerator. The third product we're reviewing is Members Mark, which means it comes from Sam's Club. Fresh salsa. This is mild. The ingredients are tomatoes, onions, jalapeno peppers, cilantro, garlic, salt, contains less than 1% of lemon juice from concentrate, water, lemon juice concentrate, lactic acid, xanthan gum, color added. So it doesn't take long, I just opened it up right now. Let's see, play a drum on it. Love that noise. That's how you know it's nice and fresh. Seal it, probably about half a cup. Right over here. So the pan's still hot. We're just going to mix in we're using the salsa to give it some little bit of flavor. The naan bread is ready, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is putting the plate together. So we'll see you there. So this is the toasted naan bread, and what I'm doing it is I'm going to be using on, see the beautiful side, I'm going to put the beautiful side down, and I got myself a spoon, and I'm going to lay this right over the top of it. And making sure that there's sausage in each of and I'm going to save a little bit of this so that I can have it tomorrow as well. But this will make a nice meal for me. Let's see what it tastes like. Of course, it'd be really hot right now. Oh, it's very flavorful. Alright, so thank you again for watching me, and look forward to seeing you in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.